Ito, sino pa? Tony Stark and... Meron ba? Nakalimutan namin. Meron ba nakalimutan? Wala na to? Jas, may nakalimutan ba ako? So ikaw, sa tanong.
So, I guess ito na.
I guess ito na. Final two. So dito kayo sa backstage.
Backstage, thank you guys.
Thank you, thank you.
Everyone, thank you.
Okay, so now it's time for the finals. Cosplay, Hall of Cosplayers. Take note guys, one girl and one guy lang po pwede manalo sa event na to. Okay, so finalists, take the stage.
Finalists, come on.
Come on, Shana, halika na. Ano ba yan? Go.
Don't try.
Kung nasa likuran, sa stage. So anong system natin ka? Hahatiin natin sa babae at lalaki. Okay lang?
Okay na, okay.
Hatiin sa babae at lalaki kasi isang babae at isang lalaki ang nanalo.
Okay si Japet! Hindi ko siya!
Guys, dito kayo.
Guys, dito kayo. Kaya may malaking kamay. Saan yan ba? Saan category?
Middle!
Cosplayer, galing ha?
Give them a big hand. Oh.
Malaking kamay, a big hand for ano. Dito. Finally time for the Hall of Cosplayers. Shall we begin with the female division?
Right.
So paano ba to? Tatawagin na namin. Pero okay. Okay, sino mauna? Yes?
Una. Sige. So, we'll first call on Jenny, cosplaying a Japanese girl in her kimono.
Japanese fashion. Jewelry, cosplaying as Shana. Shana, manawagan ka na. Go, forward. Malakas to, malakas.
Ito, next, Perona from One Piece, being cosplayed by Manga. Yeah, this is Ayla cosplaying Azusa from Day On.
Ilang taon yan?
Ang cute niya.
Okay, Roxy, down the line, forward.
Sige, this is Remy cosplaying Stocking from Mandy and Stocking with Garter Belts.
Eto, another Rem from Hardcatch, Pure Marine.
Another.
Ayan, so obvious ha. Malakas yung tili kanina. Sino yung tatlo may dalawa?
Dalawa?
Okay, alam mo may isa lang. Pero ang lakas ng tili kanina eh.
Dalawa.
So dalawa, si ano? Si... Ano ba alam to?
Si...
Ayla, dito ka. Face off kayo ni ate.
Maga.
Ayla, how old are you? 9. So, sino gumawa ng costume? Made your costume? Ano ba? Kakosa pa na itong dalawa. So, eto, face off natin. So, this is... Sino to?
This is Megan.
Megan.
So, how long have you been cosplaying? December ba?
Medyo sikat to sa Cagayan. Okay. Shall we start with Ayla? Ayla?
Sige, Ayla.
Okay. Ayla! Okay,
Sige, kay Megan.
Okay, so bring it up. Megan is our winner for the female division.
Megan.
Okay, so thank you so much, girls.
So much.
So, Megan, samahan niyo kami sa pagpili ng partner mo.
Jump it! Jump it!
Okay, fan girls and fan boys, teka lang, chill. Bravo, Yana!
Kaya na kayo mag-cheer.
Yana!
Tatawag eh.
Jump it!
Sige, dyan tayo mag-start.
Jump it!
Start. Loud, from foot one.
Si SCR.
Jump it! Sabar, sabar.
Tony start.
Jump it.
Secret character daw sa Loveless.
Selvet Bukit.
Ano ba yung Loveless?
Loveless is not for the eyes and ears of those to watch them. Controversial to...
Inkling!
Eto, si Kamen Rider. So, sino yung nanalo?
Jump it!
Japet.
Ang lakas.
Okay, Japet. So, Japet, take the
Please
stage.
join us on stage. Thank you guys.
Thank you guys, thank you.
Give the
Jump it!
Sabi ko,
Jump it!
so these are our winners. Male division, Japet. Cosplay is a cat guy from Loveless.
Megan, cosplaying someone from One Piece.
One Piece. Okay, so we have the honor of presenting the
Picture.
No! Oh, jump
So,
it,
like,
boy!
there's a prize for both of them.
Whoa, jump it! Woo, jump!
Jump it! I love you!
Woo, jump it, boy!
Exercise them na yan.
Oh, jump it!
Sige, sige.
Okay, so congratulations. Would like to say a few words sa mga fans nyo. Pasalamatan nyo naman. Okay, let's start the time, Megan.
Thank you very much!
Jump it.
Sige, si Japet.
Si Japet. Thank you, Mr. Loveless.
Pag ano ba yung t-shirt niya, pakita niyo.
Ano yan? Yes, man.
Collector's item to, ayan o. Cosplay
Yan,
niya.
exclusive from Cosplay Mania 2000.
Picture.
Picture.
Saan tayo?
Sali kami. Okay, so thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
Jacqueline and Megan. Thank you.